Let's get started. First, head to the Start menu and type in Graphics Settings. Click to open it. Once you're here, under Add an App, click on Desktop App. Now, navigate to the folder where DaVinci Resolve is installed. For most users, this will be on C drive. Open Program Files, open Blackmagic Design, open DaVinci Resolve. Find the resolve.exe file and double-click it. Once it appears in the app list, expand it, and then select High Performance. Now open the Start menu again and type Device Manager, then click to open. Expand the section called Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check if your GPU is up to date. Also make sure you've updated DaVinci Resolve to the latest version. You can do this through the official Blackmagic Design website. Once all of that is done, restart your PC. That's it.